Hello and welcome to The Simple Country Life. Today our 8-year-old son is going to be making tortilla wraps. Now he's been wanting to make these on his own for a while, and today is the day that he's going to give it a go. So to start with, he adds 3 cups of spelt flour into a mixing bowl, followed by 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now once everything is in the mixing bowl, you want to use the tip of your fingers just to massage all the ingredients together to bring them into a crumble. Once the ingredients are combined and crumbly, you want to add 1 cup of water gradually. Once the dough is all combined, it should come together and become quite smooth. So once it's all combined, what you do is lightly dust your bench space or surface and take your dough onto the bench and start to knead it a bit more by hand. This will then create a smooth texture and the dough should come together completely and be smooth. Once the dough has reached a smooth consistency, what you want to do is just wrap it in some Glad wrap and set it aside for about half an hour. After the dough has sat for about half an hour, what you want to do is cut the dough into equal proportions. We start with 8. From there we usually cut them down into 16. If you cut it into 8, you will have thicker, bigger tortillas, but if you cut them into 16, your tortillas will be smaller but thinner. So it's really your own personal preference. So once you've divided your dough into your proportions, if you have a tortilla press, you can press them in that. Otherwise, you want to just roll them into a ball and then roll them out until they're quite thin. Again, it's personal preference. Some people like them thinner, others like them slightly thicker. So here, Alan is putting them in the tortilla press first because it gives it that nice round shape. And then he's rolling it out the rest of the way by hand. And this is just how he likes to do it. Once you've rolled out your tortillas, you want to get a frying pan on medium heat, then gently place the tortilla into the frying pan. Now you only want to cook them for about a minute on each side is enough. Then remove from the pan and place onto a plate. And there you have it, homemade simple tortillas that you can use for salad wraps or burritos, whatever you like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more simple and easy recipes.